Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Oh, buddy, fire. And I'm leaving those out. No, you too, fire. I have candles on the table and I have two cats who want to jump up. All right, let's not do that, okay? This is not a big haul by any stretch because as you all know, we're between seasons. But I have some things I want to use, so I need to show you. Sorry for the weird lighting. It's dark out and in. I'm wondering if I turn on the light over there, if that'll make it a little better. Please hold. Look out, one. Debbie, look out, buddy. Let us see. I think that's better. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I have is I grabbed two of these when I saw them because I love these bags. And these will go in with my storage for next Christmas, but I just love them. So I grabbed two of those because I saw them. I picked up a pack of these. These are just adhesive, puffy dot stickers. Long story long. I bought last winter at World Market a German smoker, it's called. It's a German carved wood. This happens to be a snowman. And you put cone incense and the smoke comes out of its mouth. Well, after reading all the reviews, I'm not the only one. It's not right. There's no airflow, so as soon as you put the top on it, the cone goes out. So I was reading that if you use some of these to lift it up, you get some airflow. I tried it. It worked marginally well. But what are you going to do? Still finding bows. I picked these up for my brother. He is indeed my special needs brother. He is diabetic, and these socks work really well for him, and they're very nice priced because they're not tight around the ankle. And he has to wear black socks. He works part-time where I do. And so I grab him these when I see them. The thing is, they're very loose, so that's good, but they're cheap, so they don't last a long time, but they're cheap, so I don't mind picking up 3 or 4 pairs at a time when I see them. So I grabbed those for him. For Wellington, I got him a metal bowl, which I need to wash these. I didn't like that plastic bowl. I'm going to throw those away. So I grabbed the metal dog bowls. I just want him to have a large enough bowl that he has water all day. He has kidney disease now, and part of that is he's very thirsty, and you know he needs water available to him at all times. So I grabbed 2. I will run these through the dishwasher. I probably will grab 2 more so I can keep some upstairs for him. Because he sort of forgets sometimes that he has water down here and then he yells at me. Yes, you. I picked these up in the Valentine section. Not new at all. Speaking of, hi buddy, where you going? Wellington. These are definitely not new, but they're adorable. And I want to bring one of each to work. A pink and a red to hang near my desk. And then I'll put the other ones around here somewhere. They're getting Valentine stuff out. Also, spring is in the air at the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree was getting out their, I'm trying to sit this down. My Dollar Tree was getting out their pots for summertime, that's my receipts, potting pots. This was $5. I love the black and white pots for my house. This probably will go outside with something in it, but if you know, you know. You just got to get it when you see it. I honestly should have bought 2. But I will see another black. They had the black and the tan, which is fine, but I prefer the black. I just think it makes pretty flowers pop. So I grabbed that for $5. Then over here, also Valentine's, I grabbed these little to-go cups. I need to bring them to my office. My team likes hot chocolate and tea and stuff, so I just put them at my coffee station. And these they're not terrible. The lids stay on nice. Yeah, and these are, what does this say? Love you a latte. And they just have the red hearts on them. And I saw those and I thought, well, we need those. I also use them here if I'm going someplace and I want to bring coffee with me. And the place that I'm going, I don't want to have to worry about keeping tabs on my travel cup. So I'll just bring that and then toss it. Hairspray. Funny thing about hairspray, apparently it's not a thing, or I don't know, I have a hard time finding hairspray in the extra holds. I can find dry shampoo all day, but hairspray. Anyway, on occasion, I like to, especially on day 2 hair with my curls, I like to zhuzh it up with just a little bit. And this is just a 2.5 ounce. I think I can check this in my luggage when I travel, but I need to figure that out. But anyway, I'll take it to Canada with me at worst. But I think I can try. I can't put it in my carry-on, I know that, but I think I can put it in my luggage. I like these. I just leave them in my car. Easy cleanup, easy whatever. Clorox. Also, when I travel, I make sure I have a pack of these in my backpack because I clean my seat area around me and I clean my tray table and anything where people touch. It might seem a little excessive, but I'm not trying to go on vacation and get sick or come home and get sick. Mostly it would be coming home because that's when you're kind of run down and your immune system might not be as high. But I always travel with these. So. But I just like to have them on hand. I keep them in my car. I found a new Sunkist flavor, strawberry tangerine. Doesn't that sound delicious? And 'tis the season. We're coming up, you know, summer where I stock up. But I need to go through my pantry and pull out all the boxes that I have and take some to work and leave some here. It's just time for a restock. But this is definitely a flavor I've never seen before, so I went ahead and just picked those up because that's what you do. I found this. It's very curious. I know what it is. It is a makeup brush storage. So what I assume is you can put your makeup brushes and they hang on here and then you can put your lid on there. But I don't think mine will fit. But what about paintbrushes? Paintbrushes could go on here. I mean, I'm going to try to use it for my makeup brushes, but I feel like my handles on my makeup brushes are bigger. But we're going to see. I will try it for that. I won't put the lid on it just because I think that's a lot in my bathroom. If I was traveling or something, maybe, but I'm not. And what I don't do when I travel is put my, like, all my makeup and stuff on the counter in the bathroom because I just think that's gross. I try to leave it out in the main, you know, the main bedroom portion, just cause. But I want to take that off so I can show you. So this is how it would sit on your counter. And I'm thinking it's, hello. There we go. Dorm rooms, this would be great if you have somebody going off to college this year. This would be great, especially like if they're putting it on their desk and stuff. Plus it's cute. But I'm going to try it and see. And if it doesn't work for makeup brushes, hopefully it will work for paint brushes. Now, you saw the big makeup bag that I got, which works perfect for my yarn. I leave my yarn in there with all the stuff and I just take it with me wherever I go and it's awesome. So I saw these little ones at my store. It is a vinyl fake leathery feel. This one is. It is pink with like cheetah, leopard, some animal print. I didn't look inside because they were together, but inside, oh, they're nice. They are actually nice inside. They don't have any like place to put anything, but I think because it's so small, that's okay. Guys, this is perfect. One of these will go in with my travel stuff. And I don't think necessarily for makeup, maybe for makeup. I don't bring this much though. And I have a makeup bag, but I'm thinking for like other stuff, an electronics bag. This would be perfect to hold all my chargers and cables and earbuds and all of that when I'm traveling or storing it in my bedroom or my office or whatever. But also, like, when I'm on vacation, put my sunblock in here, and this could go in my beach bag or my pool bag, and it will keep, you know, things separate from other things because it feels like it might be waterproof. Also snacks. I love a good snack when I'm traveling, and that could hold my snacks. So it came in this color, or at my store, and then this pink, which is like a patent leather. Oh, cute. It's patent leather, all right, but it has stitched, I don't know if you can see that, stitched little hearts, like almost like a quilted heart. That is adorable. And I bet you the inside is pink or not. It's black. Same. Black. But I just think it's the perfect size because I also bring charging bricks and cables and stuff. Yeah, definitely going to use that for this. And I can just throw it in my backpack, honestly. I mean, it's not that big, but it's a good size. I will probably pass this size off to my little cousin who I'm going on vacation with in June if she wants to use it for her electronics. I will ask her. And then this is not, hold on, that's not dollar section. I didn't know what section it was, to be honest, when I bought it, but I'm not mad. I'm organizing my craft stuff. I think I brought that up, and I bought a bunch of these, and then I came home and found a bunch in my closet. So apparently this is a time of the year that I feel like I need all the containers. And I will tell you what I use these specifically for. This size, if I am doing a project, like I want to make a DIY video, I take one of these baskets and I put all the supplies that I need for that project in here. So if I'm sewing or whatever, I get out my fabric, my interfacing, whatever. If I'm painting, if I'm doing whatever, I throw it in here, and then when I have all the things collected and I'm ready to make my video, I just pull this out and everything is collected together. I highly recommend that organization if you're doing DIY videos or any type of project, or if you have multiple sewing projects going on. You can put, you know, like if you're a quilter or something and you have a bunch of different projects, you can just put the fabric and then stack them and put them on a shelf, and then everything is here. You can even label them. So I'm not mad that I have a whole bunch. I may have a little bit too many, but that's okay. I have lots of projects going, and I can share those with my niece. Okay, and then the last thing I got, also for storage, were these little containers. Now, I found these little containers not in the not in the $5 section. And honestly, I think I just found these two sitting on a random shelf. So somebody had picked them up and put them down, and I was like, well, I need those, because they left them there. So these are $3 a piece, but you have, it's a much, much sturdier, hard plastic. Like, you can store some stuff. And I think I'm storing paint in these, like stacking up my little bottles of paint, because then you won't see what's in there, but I'll know what's in there. And then you put your lid on it, which doesn't slide off. And then there is a way, and they stack on each other. And these will fit. Right now, my paint's all out in the open on a shelf, but I think if I put them in here, I could even, again, add a label down here if I wanted, but I know what's gonna be in here: paint and maybe glitter. Depending on how much paint I have, one may be holding glitter. And then they can just go together and sit on a shelf and look tidy until I need them. I know, right? Genius. I actually have a list for IKEA, and this was one of them. Of the things I wanted was paint storage. But I think, and I'll look at it tomorrow, but I think this is going to be the winner chicken dinner. And that, friends, is everything. I'm picking up trash. Everything I got this week at my Dollar Trees. All my stores right now are kind of in a let's get rid of Christmas frame of mind. So there's a lot of empty shelves and stuff like that. So hopefully in the future, and I know because I've already seen some stores putting out Valentine, but I can't wait for all the storage containers to come out and then the back to school stuff. I do have coming out on Friday a DIY video. I can give you a little sneak peek if you're still watching. I made that garland. It's made out of bows. Now, it's not Dollar Tree. You could make it totally out of Dollar Tree stuff. The ribbon, I got the pink, and it's like crushed velvet, fake. Crushed velvet ribbon I got at Marshall's on the wooden spools. I love that ribbon. And the red ribbon I just had, it was Grosgain ribbon. And the silver that's wrapped around the middle, I also got at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one or the other, or Home Goods, some source like that. But that video will be out Friday. This is Wednesday. And you're going to be late because it's Wednesday at, what time is it? It is Wednesday at, I don't know what time it is. My clock is not showing me. I think it's 6 o'clock. So we'll try to get this up on time. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoy and you have a fantastic day. And I will talk with you later. Bye.